1. Brij Bhushan acquitted. A Delhi court has acquitted former Wrestling Federation of India chief Brij Bhushan Sharan Singh and former WFI official Vinod Tomar in the sexual harassment case filed by women wrestlers, citing insufficient evidence. 2 PM launches Nasha Mukt Abhiyan. Prime Minister Narendra Modi launched the Nasha Mukt Abhiyan, urging the youth to stay away from drugs and emphasizing that a drug-free generation is essential for building a developed India. 3. President approves anti-paper leak law. President Draupadi Murmu has given her assent to the Public Examinations, Prevention of Unfair Means, Amendment Bill, 2026. The new law provides for fast-track courts and stricter punishment of up to 10 years imprisonment and a 50 lakh rupees fine for paper leaks and organized exam fraud. 4. GST collections cross to lakh rupees crore. India's GST collections for July 2026 rose by 15.4% to 2.11 lakh rupees crore, driven by strong domestic consumption and higher imports. 5. Cabinet clears Samudra Manthan scheme. The Union Cabinet approved the 84,084 crore rupees Samudra Manthan National Offshore Exploration Scheme to boost offshore oil and gas production and reduce India's dependence on energy imports. 6. Railway project gets initial approval. A proposed railway line passing through to tiger corridors and an eco-sensitive zone in the Satpura-Melghat landscape has received in-principle approval, sparking environmental concerns. 7. First woman DG of Geological Survey of India. Varsha Ashok Aglave has been appointed as the first woman Director General of the Geological Survey of India, GSI, marking a historic milestone for the organization. 8. Khelo India scheme expanded. The Union Cabinet has approved the expansion of the Khelo India scheme with an outlay of 36,441 crore rupees for the period 2026 to 2031, aiming to strengthen sports infrastructure and nurture young talent. 9. Courts reaffirm clean slate doctrine. Indian courts have reaffirmed the clean slate doctrine under the Insolvency and Bankruptcy Code, IBC, ensuring that once the NCLT approves a resolution plan, the new owner acquires the company free from any undisclosed past liabilities. 10. IAF conducts Rotor Clap 3 exercise. The Indian Air Force successfully conducted the third edition of exercise Rotor Clap 3 at the Pokhran Field Firing Range in Rajasthan. The exercise focused on enhancing the operational readiness and combat capabilities of its helicopter units. 11. India ranks 176th in global EPI. The latest Environmental Performance Index, EPI, has ranked Estonia first, while India placed 176th out of 177 countries, highlighting concerns over air quality, water management, and biodiversity conservation. 12. Body of mountaineer Nirmal Purja recovered. The body of renowned Nepalese-British mountaineer Nirmal Nimsadai Purja has been recovered after an avalanche on Broad Peak in Pakistan-occupied Kashmir's Gilgit-Baltistan region, bringing an end to the search operation.